us today. What did you play for us?
I played my brand new collab with Christina Velli. It's called My Gravity.
Incredible track.
Thank you very much. Played a new DJ Kim Jetlag remix. It's a collab remix with Ben Gold. We did it together. And the last track you heard was my collab with Steve DK called Holograms.
Yeah, that's on the new compilation, but I also included it on the State of Trance Ibiza mix. Can't wait to play that this weekend as well. It's Tomorrowland and the State of Trance stage. What is so special about Who's Afraid of 138 sound to you? Why did you decide to mix one of the compilations?
Yeah, for me it's the Who's Afraid of 138 is a big part of my life. So I haven't had many releases on the label, so
I know
it was a great honor to mix this compilation.
Are you very busy DJing now? Ever since you started as an artist with your first tracks?
Yeah, I'm quite busy. Just played Luminosity 1 month ago, and I got the On Talk Festival playing on Thursday.
Wow.
And Nature One Festival. Transmission pre-party also playing. So.
Wow. So did you still have your daytime job? Because I remember you were managing a supermarket, right?
That's correct. I still have it, but it's only 24 hours a week now. So
yeah, it's difficult to combine.
It's difficult to combine. So hopefully I quit it soon.
Well, where can we catch you on tour soon?
Yeah, next month in 2 weeks actually the On Talk Festival, Nature One Festival. And the Transmission pre-party in October.
Oh, awesome. Amazing. And when is this compilation coming out again? This Friday, it's out.
This Friday.
This Friday.
Yeah.
Awesome. And Blastoise does an extra mix, right?
Yeah, we got an email from Rob from New Jersey. He was like, can we please get some more progressive siderounds on the episode? So here we go. For today, we have an XXL with Blastoise to celebrate the release of the Who's Afraid of 138 compilation.
So for the people that are watching us on YouTube right now, there's an extra hour on this episode of the State of Trance to celebrate the release. Alan Watts did one of the mixes, Blastoise did the other. He's doing an extra hour mix to this special episode. Thanks so much, man, and good luck. Looking forward to see you rocking many stages in the future.
Thank you for having me, Armin.